Oh, I can't let him take my soul.
Gotta say nothing. They already know how I'm coming. I've been working on me. I've been loving on me. I had to learn to love myself.
Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube space. If you are new here, hey girl, hey, thanks for stopping by. And if you are an existing subscriber of mine, thank you so much for your continued support. For those of you who watched my first week in a life vlog, you may have already seen some of these clips, but I decided to double back to dedicate this video to those of you who may have wanted to see an in-depth process for how my Dominican stylist gets my hair from its natural 4C state to bone straight hair. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
You wash your hair today?
I just put conditioner.
Okay. You tenía braid? No.
I had braid.
When?
I just took it out today.
Oh.
But I combed it, so
okay.
Everything came out.
Okay.
Yeah. You're early, Marta. Where's everybody?
No, coming at 10.
Okay.
Me coming early because...
Your hair?
No, leave it long and traffic something.
Oh, okay.
Y páseme mi pelo. My hair too.
My hair is dirty, Marta. I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's you coming here for washing, no?
That's
what it should do.
It's literally always a workout for her. I'm feeling so bad for her.
Yo te la cambio ahora y te let me put it ponytail then.
Ella dice que le da pena porque ustedes tienen que trabajar tanto para ese pelo.
But it's soft for today, Marta. You put the thing. You put the thing.
No, cuando tú te pones braid, no. We'll have a braid, but that's okay. That's easy for me anyway.